Welcome back to Profit Avenue. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to earn $50 or more per hour on Autopilot with this brand new website. It's a 100% free method to make money online. It pays you $50 per hour daily without having to barely lift a muscle. Stay tuned as I teach you how to make money online using this website. Before we start, I do have some good news for you. I will be giving away $1,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money this month to 10 subscribers. That's $100 each as our way of saying thank you. To enter for the draw, here are the 3 easy steps to win the money. First, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Second, like all of our videos by simply pressing that like button and number. Third, and finally, the most important step is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video, and I want you to comment the number below while leaving a comment also about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month, and once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every single month via our community post. So, moving on to getting that $50 every hour. The money-earning website is Digistore24.com. Go ahead and search on Google Digistore24 and click the first link that comes up. Just listen and follow through with every step, since the next ones might be complicated at first glance. You wouldn't want to get lost on your way to making money, right? What is Digistore24 exactly? To put it simply, it's an online sales platform that features an online store, an affiliate network, a variety of payment methods, and accounting information, including those for taxes. With the site's marketplace, you will see lots of goods and offers which you can share with people using an affiliate link where you can earn money when they buy the product. You can do this as much as you want, giving you the possibility to earn for each buy. Let's try checking the available offers. So, here you can see that there are lots to choose from. For example, this product right here. On the right, it tells you how much you will earn by just promoting. For this, you will receive an 85% commission, which is $121.22. Imagine if many people choose to buy using your link. It's a lot of money, and all you did is share the product. To get the best deals on the best products, you can sort the list by earnings. Just click on the Sort menu and choose Earning Sales. Here you can see a product with around $740 for commission. That's a lot of money for just one successful promotion. Again, you don't have to pay to earn money for this. All you have to do is make your account by signing up. As you can see here, you only need your email address to open an account. To add to that, you can choose how you will be paid, whether you'd like it to be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Let's start by filling up these details. So, for this selection, choose the affiliate option. Go ahead and fill the rest of the boxes up with your information. Choose your time zone as well to make sure everything is in sync. Don't forget to use a valid email address and a secure password. For the affiliate link, the site will provide that for you. Also, remember to tick the box that says you have agreed to the terms and conditions. If you want to receive regular Digistore24 newsletters, you may tick the last box as well. After all that's done, just click the Register for Free button. Now you're all set to promote the product you like. So choose one that you think will attract a lot of buyers and click the Promote Now button. It will redirect you to a page with the affiliate link that you can share with your friends, family, and even strangers for them to purchase. When they click that link, they can add to the cart and check out the product. All you have to do now is wait for your commission. If you do that again and again, you'll surely earn more money in the long run. But wait, of course there's more. Now I will be telling you a bonus tip on how to even increase your earnings. All you have to do is go to reddit.com. I'm sure most of you are already familiar with Reddit. For those new to it, it's a platform where people can talk about common interests and hobbies, or even the most random of things. That said, you can use this to promote your affiliate link in Reddit, which, according to SimilarWeb, has around an average of 1.5 billion visitors. So you can take advantage of this by sharing the link with Reddit users. To start, go to Reddit and search for "How to Make Money Online." This will show you all related posts to the question, and from the number of posts, you can tell that there are a lot who are wondering the same thing. This is where you can come in to promote your affiliate links from Digistore24. I suggest making a post where you will provide them with tips on how to earn money from the links, or you could compile your links into one single post. You will then copy and paste this as a comment on a Reddit post. Now, people can access your link and you can just wait for your commissions to arrive. Also, don't be limited to sharing your links on Reddit. You can also do the same process on other social media websites too. The key to this is being creative in how you present the product and the links. Make sure that the post is attractive enough for people to want to click the link. Easy enough, right? Create your Digistore24 account now and share your affiliate links online to start earning commissions for about $50 per hour and even more. Wait! Before you leave, why not check out some of our new and updated methods to making money online? Why not check out our latest video on how to make money on OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace? Or do you want to generate $20+ every 10 minutes in Ethereum without hardly any work?